Hey guys, I just want to take a minute to tell you about this nice Retract-A-Gate we got. When my wife and I moved into the house, we were a little bit concerned about this fireplace, but we really liked it, so we wanted to find a retractable gate that would look nice in the space. Unfortunately, it was really hard to find one that would cover the 74-inch gap that we have here. So when I started looking around, actually Retract-A-Gate was the only one that had anything close. They had a 72-inch model. So I decided to call them up, and they were really nice and able to figure out a solution to get us that extra 2 inches by using their spacers that they have to close that gap. And it's really easy to operate. You just pull it out like so, pop it in, put the lock in, and it's going to protect our little one. So we're very happy with it, and thank you, Retract-A-Gate.